What's for dinner? Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to my channel, Chef Z Cooks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make buffalo wings in an air fryer. Now, if you're like me, then you're currently obsessed with your air fryer because you can pretty much make anything. And speaking of anything, be sure to comment down below and let me know what other recipes you like to see me make in an air fryer because I'd love to make some of those videos. Now, these buffalo wings are super easy to make, super tasty, and they're great when you want something that is fuss-free. These buffalo wings are also great as an appetizer. Now, before we get started, I do want to know, do not, and I repeat, do not feel pressure to run out and get the same exact air fryer as you're going to see in today's video. Honestly, whatever air fryer you have is going to work. Just make sure to match the settings as closely as possible as I'm going to show you today. Now, if you have a smaller air fryer, that's totally fine. You may have to make the chicken in batches, but don't worry because I'll definitely walk you through all the steps. Let's go ahead and get started. Making air fryer buffalo wings are super easy, and this is something you're going to make time and time again. We're going to start off by seasoning our chicken wings with some garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of kosher salt, and I added about 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and we're also going to add some fresh black pepper. Now, I like to season my chicken wings because I actually like to have some of my chicken wings naked and then dip it into the sauce. And the secret to making some really good wings is to make sure you season them well beforehand so that it enhances the flavor of the sauce. I'm also going to add just a tiny bit of olive oil because adding just a little bit of olive oil is going to make a huge difference once you cook it into the air fryer because it's going to make the chicken really nice and crispy. So we want to mix everything until it's well combined, and then we want to go ahead and we want to start preparing our air fryer. Now this is really easy. You just want to turn it on, set it to 400 degrees, and we're going to set the timer to 20 minutes. And once your air fryer has come up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and now we're going to add the food. Now bear in mind that everyone's air fryer is a little bit different, but these settings should be very easy to match with whatever air fryer you have. We're now going to add the chicken into the air fryer, and you just want to make sure to space them out evenly and not overcrowd the basket. So we may make the chicken wings in 1 or 2 batches depending on how big your air fryer is. And once the chicken is halfway cooked, so after about 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip them over. Now this is something that you always want to do whenever you're using your air fryer. You want to make sure to flip things over and shake them up every couple of minutes. Now because we've evenly spaced the chicken wings, that means that I just flipped them over halfway through. And after another 10 minutes, the chicken is beautifully cooked and beautifully crispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna make the second batch of my chicken wings until everything is cooked through. We're now going to start preparing the buffalo sauce, and this is really easy. You want to mix together some melted butter and some hot sauce, and I'm using Frank's Red Hot Sauce because I find that this truly gives me that authentic buffalo sauce flavor. But just know that you can use whatever type of hot sauce that you want, so feel free to use your favorite one instead. And just know that you can also eyeball making some buffalo sauce. Really what you're looking for is for your hot sauce to go from a bright red color to a bright orange color. And once the sauce is ready, we're going to add the chicken to that yummy sauce, and then we're going to very gently toss it into the sauce until all of those chicken wings are beautifully coated in that buffalo sauce. Now, fun fact, I am somebody who actually likes my buffalo wings naked, and I actually like to dip it into the sauce, so comment below if you're like me. So there you guys have it. That's my recipe for some air fryer buffalo wings. If you have any questions, comment down below, and until next week, I'm Chef Z y buen provecho. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Now be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you're a fan of air fryer recipes. Don't forget to join the Chef Z family. And if you need some inspiration on what to cook next, go ahead and click right here.